What is a CRM system? In short, a CRM system stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a technology solution that is designed to allow us as salespeople and as companies that want to grow to keep track of our customers, to understand their interactions, to manage marketing, to have emails, and watch them go through the funnel all the way to the end. So what I want to share with you are a couple things. Why do we have a CRM system? What does a CRM system do? The key features of a CRM system. I want to talk about evaluating the different types of CRM systems, about how CRM systems are changing our worlds, the key facts, the things to think about as we're working with them and interacting with our CRM system. So why have a CRM system? Do I need to keep track of these people? So at the beginning of my career, coming from a technology background, we had a database and I would enter it into the database. But now it's evolved. And why do you need something as powerful as a CRM system? Because if you want to scale, if you want to be able to have everything in one central place, you want to be able to be mobile and then just look at your app and be able to see, oh, I need to call this person. Oh, it looks like I talked to them 3 months ago, or they said they want to move in 12 months. I have it in one place. So we get to watch the homes they're looking at, the interactions, take our notes. And as we scale our businesses, that's why we need a CRM system. As we scale our business, if we want to add team members, if we want to add inside salespeople, if we want to one day retire out, we need to have a CRM system that allows people to go in behind us and know what is happening. So that goes from the beginning all the way through the client lifecycle. And so that's the fundamental reasons of why you need a CRM system. So what does a CRM system do? It really allows you to store all of your client information in one place. What are the key features that every CRM system really needs to have? The first one is contact management. Have their phone, their email, their address, the partner, spouse's information, anything that's relevant as far as maybe their family and the types of properties, a home valuation. We want to have all of the ability to manage all their contacts. The second thing is lead management. We need to make sure that our CRM system allows us to manage our leads, bring the leads in, manage them through till they're a client. The other thing that's really important with the CRM system is called sales forecasting. They're interacting with you, they're looking at your properties, it's an active lead. We can see them go from new lead to prospect to active lead to client to closed to become a sphere. So we can manage the life cycle. And when we can do that, it's sales forecasting. The other thing it allows us to do is like instant messaging, especially if you have a team, right? So like my client coordinator can see what's going on. My inside salespeople can take notes, and so that when they say, hey, I set up an appointment for you, I can go in and see those notes. So the other key feature that's really awesome if your system does this, ability to see what a lead is doing. So the other thing that's really awesome is to have a dashboard. When you log in, you can see all the interactions that you're having with your contacts, your customers, your clients, your leads. Let's talk about evaluating which CRM system is the best. Agent Office, back in the day, Top Producer. I've used Zillow's backend. I've used Vulcan 7, RedX, Real Geeks, Boomtown. I'm in kvCORE now. What is it that makes a CRM system different? I love the dashboard. I like the ability to have mobile apps. I like the ability to enter all the information about a customer profile. And so I recommend that you make sure that you have one that integrates with the website so that your website and your CRM, your backend are together, so that when somebody's on your website, it comes into your CRM and then you can reach out to them. The other thing that's really important is, does it have like SEO? Can you put the areas that you cover? And so eventually over time, somebody can say top agent in Ashburn, and then they can go and they'll see like your Ashburn listings. So that's another key feature. So there's branding, there's marketing, there's lead management, there's contact management, there's a dashboard to see what's going on. So those are different things that I think is important, and some analytics, right? So how many people are in your lead status? Then the last thing is really important is if you can develop campaigns that say this person is going to sell in 2 years. CRM systems are definitely changing our world, because before it was like post-it notes and index cards and all of these very manual things, like genuinely my whiteboard. I still use my whiteboard for some hot leads, but it's changing our world. It's allowing us to be more scalable, to have more growth, to keep track of more people, and that's a beautiful thing. Quick little summary about why you should have one and how to evaluate your CRM system. The first thing is make sure it's based in the cloud. You want to be able to access this no matter